Welcome to Trade Psychology Trading Reviews. So let us see how did we trade the Nifty and Bank Nifty for 1st April 2020 expiry. For 1st April 2020 and expiry, we analyzed this data where, based on the options change in OI and the FI activity, we predicted there can be a bearish momentum in the market till 1st of April. So based on that, we put up a strategy in Nifty where even if the Nifty fell to 8,000 level, we should be profitable. So let us see how did the positions traded till 1st of April. Here is a weekly chart where you can see the Nifty from 30th of April gapped down and consolidated at 8,262 level, where we sold some contracts and we bought some contracts in such a way that our position should be profitable at the end of the expiry. So here is our position summary where you can see at the end of the expiry we collected 3,820 with this strategy, which was almost 0.76% of our capital engaged. So as you can see, even in this volatile market, we predicted that there can be a bearish momentum, and based on this we put up a strategy in such a way that even if the Nifty fell, we could be profitable. So let us see how did we trade the Bank Nifty weekly hedging strategy. So Bank Nifty weekly hedging summary for 1st April 2020 expiry. Even for the Bank Nifty, we analyzed the options chain. So based on this, there was a huge resistance at 20,000 level. So based on the FI activity, we predicted there can be a fall in the Bank Nifty. We put up a strategy in such a way that even if the Bank Nifty fell to 18,000 level, we should be profitable. So let us see how did we trade the Bank Nifty weekly hedging strategy. So here is a 50-minute chart of a Bank Nifty where you can see on 30th it gapped down almost 500 points and it consolidated and expired at 18,200 level. So as in our strategy, if the Bank Nifty closes above 18,000, we would be profitable. The Bank Nifty bounced at 18,000 level and closed at 18,200 level. Due to this is how the positions traded, where you can see for the net we collected close to 37,564 with this hedging strategy. As the Bank Nifty closed above 18,000 level, we collected profits for this week, which was almost 7.5% of the capital engaged. So as you can see, even in the worst market scenarios, we put up a strategy in such a way that we will be profitable every single week. So if you want to learn more how to analyze the FI data and trade future and options to generate consistent monthly income, you can register for a free course on tradepsychology.com. Thank you.